boys and girls. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a Zentangle. A Zentangle has repeated patterns. So what you'll need is a piece of plain white paper, you'll need a marker, and you'll need a circle to trace. It can be the bottom or top of a cup, it can be the lid from cream cheese or yogurt, it can even be a water bottle. Whatever you have that is round. Let's get started. First thing is I'd like you to draw a border around the four sides of your paper. Does not have to be perfectly straight. I'm going to do a border close to the edge on all four sides. Zentangle is a very soothing, relaxing type of artwork. Okay. Once you have your border, then pick which circle you're going to trace. I happen to have this water container. I'm going to put it right in the middle of my paper. I'm going to hold it down and I'm just going to trace it around. Got that? Next, I'm going to find the middle of my circle on this side. I'm going to draw a line from the circle to the middle of my border on one side. I'm going to kind of pull that across. Don't go in the middle of the circle. Just kind of gauge and pull it across to the border on each side. I'm going to find the middle of the circle over here, pull it to the border, and the same over here. So you should have your circle and four different sections. Next step will be to divide each section in two. The easiest way to do that is go to the corner and pull your marker all the way up to the middle of the circle in that section. Go to your next blank section, find the corner, pull it up to the middle of your circle. Go to the next section, find the corner, and pull it up to the middle of the circle in that area. And last, find the corner and pull it up to the circle. So if you've done this correctly, you should have 8 sections. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to work in each one of these sections, each one of the 8 sections. All you're going to do is just draw lines around this shape over and over again. Watch how I begin. Just going to start, draw a line very close. I'm going to follow it around. I'm going to go around that circle and down. And I'm going to keep doing the same thing until this shape starts to get smaller and smaller. And I'm finding this very soothing and satisfying to do. I'm just going around this shape. Notice how it's getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So I've done that first shape. It might be easier for you to even turn your paper around. Now I'm going to do the same thing to this next section. I'm going to follow around the circle. It doesn't really matter where you start. And I'm just dragging my marker all the way around. Lines can even overlap, but you want that shape to get smaller and smaller and smaller. And you can even teach your parents how to do this. I think everyone has a good time when they do a Zentangle. So now I've done 2 sections. I'm going to work on the section that's right next to the section that I just did. And I'm going round and round. I'm going to hold my paper down so it doesn't move. And as I go around and around, I'm even getting a little faster at this. I love when I get to the end of each section. I've done that section, and I'm going to keep going around and around. And if you want to do it along with me, go ahead. If you want to wait and do it after the video, it's up to you. If at any point you get confused or you're not sure, you can always stop the video and rewind it. I would probably go a little bit slower if I wasn't recording this on a video, but I am speeding it up so you can see a finished one like I showed you at the beginning, and then you can get started. I keep turning my paper because it seems to be the easiest for me to do it that way. Notice how I'm holding my paper down because I don't want it to slip. All right, I have 2 more sections to go. I think it's looking pretty cool. If you don't have a Sharpie, you can try crayon, or you can try a black pen if you have a black pen. And last but not least, for this section, you want it to be one continuous line. Continuous means that you don't stop and start over, which I happened to do at one point because I kind of lost where the marker was. Okay. Once you get your sections done, then you can start around the circle. Just follow that shape around till your circle gets smaller and smaller and smaller. What's also fun is, if you want, when you're finished, you could even add different colors. There you go. That's my Zentangle. Have a good time doing this, and I'd love to see yours when you're finished.